Want to use your Xumo Streambox in another language? It's easy to customize the system language, audio, and captions. First, to change the system language, go to Settings, then System, then Language. Select your preferred language like Espanol or Francais and restart the device. For audio language, during playback, press the menu button on your remote, navigate to Audio, and select the desired language track. Finally, for captions, access the same menu, toggle captions on or off, adjust size and color under Settings, Accessibility, and choose the language if available. Remember, a firmware update in April 2025 expanded language support, but content availability varies. The Xumo Streambox offers three main language options. System language changes the interface menus and prompts throughout the device. Audio language affects the spoken track, allowing you to choose original audio or dubbed versions. Captions and subtitles provide text overlays for dialogue in your preferred language. For captions and subtitles, you have two main options. Open captions are always visible and burned into the video. Closed captions are user-selectable and can be turned on or off as needed. Keep in mind some important considerations. Not all content supports every language option. You may encounter occasional sync issues with live streams. However, Xumo's AI-enhanced translation improves automatically, and the system aligns with global accessibility standards. Xumo uses adaptive bitrate streaming technology. This allows seamless switching between language tracks while minimizing buffering, ensuring smooth playback regardless of your connection speed.